Reykjavik, translated as Smoky Bay, is the world's northernmost national capital, with a population so small that it hardly qualifies as a city. Despite having a population of less than 200,000 people, Reykjavik provides a wide range of sites and activities that will appeal to culture, nature, and nightlife enthusiasts alike. As with every city, there is a variety of activities to choose from. In fact, there are so many options that no list could possibly properly cover all of them. Iceland is a place defined by water in many ways, from its massive glaciers to the rolling waves of the Atlantic Ocean to its hot geothermal pots. What better way to immerse yourself in Icelandic culture than by visiting one of Reykjavik's local pools? Because of Iceland's renewable energy laws, the usage of huge amounts of water for swimming pools, saunas is relatively inexpensive, making it a popular activity among Icelanders. This enthusiasm has resulted in the construction of 18 swimming pools in the greater Reykjavik region alone. Some of these establishments offer indoor and outdoor pools, saunas, and at least one hot tub. Some even have as many as 7 or 8. Luckily, the pools feature heated water, making them use all year. Consider Icelandic swimming pools to be more comparable to a luxury spa than your typical municipal pool at home. Hallgrímskirkja Church, which towers over the heart of Reykjavik, is visible from virtually every aspect of the city, making it very easy to discover. An observation platform with 360 degrees views of the city is located at the summit of this 74.5-meter expressionist-style building. Except on Sundays when there are mass services, the tower is open daily. Because Hallgrímskirkja is a working church, the tower may be closed from time to time because of services or concerts taking place within. Iceland is one of the greatest places in the world to see the spectacular Northern Lights. Take a Northern Lights trip with an expert guide to seek for this natural phenomenon. You may see them from downtown Reykjavik, but the best site to observe them within the city limits is at Seltjarnarnes by the sea. There you'll be away from the street lights and able to really appreciate the scene. The city pond in Reykjavik is popular with visitors, particularly bird lovers. After all, the region is home to plenty of swans and a raft of ducks. In the winter, the pond occasionally freezes over, allowing people to cross on foot, go ice skating, or even create a nice football field. City Hall is located right next to the city pond, as well as a huge and instructive 3D map of Iceland. Reykjavik is a city that is full of wonderful surprises. Many of its hidden gems may be discovered on your own, or you can use it as a starting point for various guided excursions. You may take a picturesque helicopter flight over the city, stopping for a photo stop on Mount Esjan, one of the city's surrounding mountains. Other popular trips in and around the city include whale and puffin viewing tours, as well as horseback riding experiences. Minke whales, humpback whales, porpoises, and dolphins are the most often seen whales in the Faxaflói harbor near Reykjavik. Reykjavik offers some very exceptional local and foreign food. Restaurants that specialize on local seafood or grilled meats can be found in the city. Aside from Icelandic restaurants, the city also has outstanding Thai, Italian, Indian, Mexican, Japanese, and even Ethiopian places to eat. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.